The 2026 Wild Side Motorhome Truck is turning heads across the RV world, and for good reason. At first glance, it's bold, aggressive, and rugged, built to dominate both highways and off-grid trails. But the real magic happens when you step inside. It's not just a truck, it's a luxury home on wheels. With a fully integrated smart control system, heated floors, and a sleek interior finish. This motorhome redefines adventure living. Under the hood, it's powered by a next-gen hybrid V8, offering powerful torque and surprisingly efficient fuel usage for a vehicle of its size. Off-road enthusiasts will love its upgraded suspension, reinforced chassis, and all-terrain tires that handle mud, sand, and snow like a pro. Whether you're headed to the mountains or the desert, the Wild Side is built to keep you going. Inside, you'll find high-end appliances, a full kitchen, a queen-size bed, and even a retractable entertainment system. Solar panels on the roof power most of your needs, and a water purification system means you can stay off-grid longer than ever. Everything is compact but smartly designed. Nothing feels cramped or compromised. Driving it feels solid and secure. It's more like piloting a luxury SUV than a bulky RV. With multiple camera views, adaptive cruise control, and auto leveling, it's designed for ease, whether you're on the move or setting up camp. Overall, the 2026 Wild Side Motorhome Truck isn't just for road trips. It's for people who want to live boldly, explore fearlessly, and take comfort with them wherever they go. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Enjoyed your journey, and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.